Hey, what?
I see. Dad, I see.
You see a what?
Do you see
A
cocoon?
raccoon?
Yeah, raccoon.
Those aren't raccoons. They're a type of, like a monkey. They're lemurs. They got that kind of tail.
Fish, Corey.
Hey, buddy.
Carp.
Corey, where we are?
We're at the African Lion Safari, and look over there.
All the way back.
What do you
More
see?
birds.
Oh,
It's a
yeah.
carp. Look, hey, cameraman. Camera.
What?
Get the camera back.
Yeah.
Why not?
What's he doing? Oh, wow. Look at him go. He acts like Jessica. Climbing on the fence.
That's really nice. Yeah. Hi, monkey.
You guys are pretty,
What? A little boy and girl.
Mm-hmm.
probably.
Yeah, the face are my area.
Those are cute.
You don't want to take any more pictures of animals?
Well, yeah.
Where's the real film at?
In that bag.
The van's right there.
That's what they are, Jesse. Baboons.
What are they
Hey!
Ugly, ugly, ugly.
He's a sleeping warthog.
Now what is that? That scared me, Dad.
What? See ya.
Dad, that scared me. Where's Jessica?
Hey, warthog. Oh, you're not the warthog.
Let's go, Dad. What's the monkeys are crying?
I don't know.
I wonder what kind they are. Are they looking at you, Dad?
Yep. Looks like a little old man.
Who, Dad? The
A
black
monkey.
one? The black
Yep.
one?
He's scratching his chin.
I want to scratch my...
Whoop.
I'm trying to teach them how to scratch their head.
Oh, you gotta roll over.
Yep, get him, Dad. Did you get him?
I'm getting him, yep. Bonk. Tickle him. Oh, and just stick your feet out, huh?
Hi, look.
He's silly.
Hey, monkey.
Come on, let me see your old man face.
Hey.
There it is.
Hey, buddy. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Dad, look.
How's the monkey go?
What
Ooh.
time is it?
How's Tata-Do go, Jesse?
What?
How does Tata-Do go?
How?
Does Tata-Do make faces?
Yeah.
How? Show me a Frank face.
Come on, monkey boy.
Oh.
You can throw the stuff.
Hey, I see the pigs.
There's do's and don'ts.
There's one pig. There's the other pig. One pig has red hair.
We're at the...
Right there. See the redhead pig looking through the fence? Go.
Jessica.
Jessie. Make a
Oh,
pig.
yeah, that pig.
Yeah.
What pig?
Of course, looking at your room, you're a bigger pig.
Where is the pig?
I was
Kill me
talking
for
about
pork chop.
you. Are you a pig? And there's the pig.
Do not feed the animals any food
Oh, yeah.
except the food provided
Corey,
by
the
the gate
red
entry.
is the pig.
Yeah,
Look,
whatever.
Dad. Red was Are these pigs trained?
No.
Probably. Yep.
Y'all ready for this? Hello, everyone, and welcome to Pork Chop Downs. Everybody ready for a pig race? Yeah! All right. My name is Louise. I'll be your commentator for this race, and I do have some helpers. Over here, I have Trish and Sarah. Give a big hand. Come on, give it up. They do a lot around here that you'll never see. Of course, some of it you don't want to see either. All right. Now, these gals just got back from Arkansas. They got their PhD there. Yeah. That's pig handler's degree. I didn't go. And behind me, I have Rochelle. Yes, give her a big hand. She's my right-hand lady. Well, left hand, maybe. Now, Rochelle takes care of the track. Now, Rochelle, we've had a lot of different kinds of weather this past week. A lot of sun, a lot of heat, humidity, rain, wind. What can you tell us of the condition of the track for this race? It's all right. I'm down here to greet you. Yes. Roseanne said, oh, my bleachers are over here. Yes. Pug, what is your name?
Charlie Thompson?
Charlie. What happened to your hair, Charlie? Did you do that?
Yeah.
Turn around. I want to see this. Okay. Okay, how old are you?
10.
Ah, just that age, huh? Yeah, 10 years old. And where are you from, Charlie?
Willowick?
Where?
Willowick, Ohio?
Willowick, yes. Are there any pigs there?
No.
No pigs? Is that why you do that? Just teasing Charlie. And what's your name?
Philip Nolan?
Philip, and how old are you?
9.
9 years old. Where are you from?
Pittsburgh?
Pittsburgh. Wow. Are there any pigs there in Pittsburgh?
Not really.
Not really. Who did this to you?
My dad?
You like it?
Yeah.
You like that?
Sort of.
Would you do that?
No.
Okay. That's all right, Charlie. I'm just picking on you. All right, dear. What's your name?
Leah Schwinard?
Leash? What? Leah. Okay. And how old are you?
11.
11 years old. And where are you from?
Me.
Maine. The whole state of Maine?
Lewiston.
Lewiston, Maine. Yes. Glad to have you here. Now, are there any pigs up there?
I don't know.
Don't know. Okay. No, I got to ask you. Do you like that hairdo?
Sort of. I don't know.
I'm just getting opinions, Charlie. That's all. And what is your name, son?
Corey Doolittle?
Corey Doolittle. Do you talk to the animals?
Yes.
With a name like that, you have to. Yes.
Right.
How old are you?
9.
9 years old. Now, where are you from?
Rawson, Ohio.
Ross? Where's that? What big town is that close to?
Little and it's by Finland.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I see you got a San Antonio Spurs there. You like San Antonio Spurs?
I don't know.
You didn't. Okay. Okay. Are there any pigs there where you live?
A lot of pigs.
See better.
Ooh. And I got to ask you, do you like Charlie's hairdo over there?
Sit on Daddy's lap.
Yes.
You got one vote for you, Charlie. It looks good. Now, what was that? What?
I wish I could do it.
Uh-oh. Look out, Mom. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you saw how those pigs ran around there. They definitely need help. And I think Jerry needs some help too, girls. Mm-hmm. Generation Hog Calling Contest. Are you thrilled about that?
Oh, yes.
Sounded like it. Are you thrilled?
Oh, no.
Uh-oh. What about you, Charlie?
Yeah. Sort of. Sort of.
Okay. Well, kids, I'm going to do one so you know what one sounds like, okay? Did you ever hear one before? No? Okay. Well, let's see whether I can get one out of here. Let me go over here. Hang on to the fence. Everybody hear me out there okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, now, kids, it's your turn. You can do a suey, a here piggy, an oink oink, a snort, anything you want.
My
Just keep it clean. It's a family show. All right, you get to go first, Charlie. How would you call those pigs home to dinner? Roseanne said it right back to you. That was cute, yeah. Very good, Charlie. All right, here you go.
Come here, Fig.
That was good, too, yeah. All right. That didn't do anything for him. You didn't even get out a week out of them. Come on, you can do something. Here, piggy, oink, oink. Sweet. That's good. That's good. All right, here we go. Come on over here. Put your arms down here. Let's do it. You'll swallow the microphone here. Oh, 4 distinct styles here. And they're all good. But you know, I'm not going to pick a winner. Nope, I'm going to let the audience do that. And how we do that? Rochelle is back here.
Won't be my turn.
There we go. Winner. Now, nice and loud, kids. Here we go. Let's hear it. Wow, that's pretty good, Charlie. Yeah. All right, here you go.
Here, Fig.
Let's hear it. Whoa. Wow. That's real good. You brought the whole family, didn't you? Yeah. Okay. Let's hear it now. Let's hear it. All right. Yeah. And here we go. Let's hear it.
Woo!
Oh, you know what? I think we got our winner way down here from Pittsburgh. Let's hear it for the winner. Now, you get to stay right here with me. The rest of you can go back to the bleachers. Give them a big hand. They did good. Yeah. Make the fast of their run. Let's hear some noise out there. Come on, whoop it up. And now. Jerry lost his clothes. Look out. Look out. Oh, wait a minute. All right, it's going to be close now. I saw that real close. Who's our winner, Philip? Hulk Hogan!
Hi, guys. You gonna get my face? Hi.
Dad, come on.
What you looking for? Huh?
Yeah.
You want some food?
Mom.
Okay. Oh.
Texas horns there.
Mm-hmm. Baby camels.
Yeah, baby
Something like
camels.
that. Fuzz heads.
How are you over here?
That's a pretty one.
Another one coming up.
Here comes an Iowa baby.
Here comes another one from behind. These
Oh.
are baby camels.
Peruvian camels. Hi, guys. You see this one? He's white.
Come here. Hey, hey, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Dad.
Hi, Jess. Oh, I can't go anywhere.
Go.
There's animals in front of me. Okay. He's coming around to my side here. Hi, Mooser. Whoa. They're pretty close up.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
What do you think? You having fun?
Yeah. No. It's not that much.
Okay, you can have it. Take it. That's
No,
good.
no, no.
Mom!
Okay.
Game more carrots?
No.
Whoa, hi there again.
So I come back for more. Just see the whole bag.
Make sure those aren't.
You're
Bad.
lucky the moose isn't following us.
Well, geez, thank you, buddy.
The moose is coming.
Do that again, honey.
The moose is coming. The moose
Oh
is
my. Can't hardly.
following us.
Ow.
Dad, you figure
That
out.
good? You like those?
The moose is following.
See you now.
Dad.
That good, huh? I'm sorry.
Mom, here comes the
Major
moose.
problem here
I'm
now.
staying back
Oh,
here.
hi.
We have. I don't like this guy coming here. I have a feeling we're gonna have horns locked inside the van here in a second.
Just don't get no more feet out.
Oh boy, you're something, aren't you?
Oh my gosh.
This is too in it.
You gonna come right through my window here, aren't you? Gonna eat the steering wheel?
Oh no.
Oh my goodness! Thank you. You may go home now. Oh, hi again.
You like big mooses?
Well, I can't go anywhere. There's a moose in the road.
Honk the horn.
Do you really like Moose Tracks ice cream? Did you invent that? Your picture's on the cover.
Honk the horn.
You again. Come here. Okay, Jesse's gonna feed Bambi. No, don't pull back. Just give it to him. All right.
That's Bambi.
Jesse, way to go.
Look, he's seeing the moose.
Wow, it's just so tiny.
I got donut bowl.
Oh, no, we can't focus him. There we go. That's a baby Bambi, Jesse.
Come on. Hey guys, want one? Come here, bud. Take
Look
that.
at the little one, Jessica.
Jesse, you see the baby?
Yeah.
That must be hers.